Hello everyone, this is Snoopyholic and welcome to my tea log. On this episode, I would like to show you how to brew tea simple and easy way. First, put your tea into the teapot and rinse it with the hot water. Doing so, you can also warm up your teapot as well. Also, other teawares such as gongdo bei and teacup. It's nice to have strainer because with that you can enjoy your tea more clearly. But if you don't have it or hard to get it in your hand, then don't worry about it too much. And I know there are people who choose not to rinse tea leaf, but if you're not going to rinse tea leaf, then please at least warm up your teaware, which is very important for tea taste. Tea tastes definitely better with the warmed up teaware. Okay, time to pour hot water and brew your tea for a drink. Usually the first brew is short and brief because the tea leaf has already waken up when you rinse the tea leaf. But it also depending on how the tea leaf looks like. If it's really curled up, then it requires more time. But this tea leaf that we are brewing right now is not really curled up or anything, so short amount of time will do. Tea is ready to drink. And when you drink this first brew tea, you have to taste it very carefully because that will be the measurement of how much time you should add for your second brew, third brew, and fourth brew. That's the key for keeping the best condition tea taste. Do I sound too vague to you? Okay, then here's a tip. Let's say you rinse the tea leaf, and then for the first brew, count 7 up to 10 seconds. And then for the second brew, the same, count 7 up to 10 seconds. If you like somewhat stronger taste, 10 is better. If you don't like too much strong taste, then 7 is okay. Then for the third brew, you have to count 20 seconds. And for the fourth brew, you have to count 40 seconds. So if you add up time like that, then you can pretty much have a similar taste if it's a good tea. And also if it's a good tea, then you can do it for like many times because that is the one standard of good tea. You can brew a lot of tea out of it. For example, I have a very good quality shampoo or tea, and with the 6 grams of it, I can drink really good 2 liters of tea. Not too bad, right? In case any of you are interested in where is this place, I would like to introduce you TN, the Tea Life Curation Shop in Seoul. Yes, as you can see, there are so many really beautiful teawares that the owner selected from Korea, China, and Japan. She is a tea curator herself as well, so she knows what she's dealing with. And if you just get there and look around, then you just feel that you are in the right place for your happy tea life. She has very good eyes on selecting objects for her shop, so you can rely on her if you want to have a very nice and steady, also beautiful artwork for your teaware in a reasonable price. By the way, this is not sponsored or anything. I just love this place, and if any of you have chance to be in Seoul and wants to have good tea experience, I really suggest you to visit there and have a look around. Yep, there are lots of good tea selection as well. Don't miss it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you aren't already, subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, everybody, have a happy tea time. Bye bye.